Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find free products that you can promote and still get affiliate commission. And this method is absolutely beginner friendly because like I said, you're going to promote free products and everybody likes to get free stuff. And not just that, but I will also show you how you can drive free traffic to your affiliate offers. So make sure to watch the entire video. But before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. Obviously, first thing we need to do, we need to find product to promote. And this time we are going to do something a bit different. We are going to promote a free stuff. And that is why this is beginner friendly, because it's much easier to promote free stuff. So here in search bar, I will just type free and then click search. And then I will scroll here and I will click must have affiliate tools page. And here we can see all the free products on Clickbank. And we all know that Clickbank is biggest digital product marketplace on the internet. But many people don't know that you can also find physical products on Clickbank as well, like pheromone spray for men, like t-shirts, wallets, tactical flashlights, and so on and so on. And you can find most of these physical products on Clickbank when you type in search bar for keyword free. And you can apply same tactic on other affiliate networks. For example, when you go on Digistore24 and when you type free, here you can see all the free products on Digistore24. For example, here you can see the Essential Keto Keybook physical free plus shipping. And when you actually go here, you will see physical version of this ebook, which means this is not an ebook, this is a book. And you can make €3.91 for promoting this free book. And like I said, you can use this tactic on other affiliate networks. And when we go on Clickbank, and let's say I wish to promote this product here, free high beam tactical flashlight. And when I click to open their sales page, here I can see more information. As you can see, get this 25 high beam flashlight for free. And here you can see more information, features and stuff like that. And when you actually click here, enter your shipping details, you will see this. They are charging only shipping and handling, and they are charging that $6.95. So this is a real price for shipping and handling. They are not using that tactic where they give you something for free and then overcharge you with shipping and handling. So they are literally giving you for free this high beam flashlight. And you're probably thinking right now, they probably go on AliExpress and they buy these flashlights for $2-3 and then they are giving us for $6.95. I actually checked that, and when you go on AliExpress and when you search for tactical high beam flashlights, you can find them from $6 to $50 depending from the model. So they are literally giving us these flashlights for free. And you're probably wondering right now, how in the world they are making money? Why are they giving us this for free? They're giving us this flashlight for free because they have so many upsells and downsales, and we as affiliate make $7.41 only on initial sale. So we as affiliate will make no money from upsells and downsales. As you can see here, recurring and rebill is zero. And you probably heard in my previous videos that I talk about initial sale, recurring sale and average commission. And this is what that means. And when we actually go on Digistore24 and when we scroll, you will see average €6.89, which means these guys actually pay rebill or recurring commission for their affiliates from upsales and downsales. Some products have that recurring commission, some products don't. This one, for example, doesn't have recurring commission. And that is okay because we are going to give this product for free, which means conversion rate is pretty high. So now we have our product and now we need to promote that product. And for that we need to go on Google, and here in search bar we are just going to type latest free stuff and then click search. And we need to click on this first website, www.latestfreestuff.co.uk. Just click on this first website. And here you can see all kind of free stuff like free Lego Life magazine, free Thief cleaning spray, free coffee pack, free willow vent tree, and so on and so on. And most of these are actually free samples. But let me show you first potential of this website. When you go on SimilarWeb and when you scroll here, you will see that this website is getting more than 1 million monthly visits. And when you scroll here, you will see that 88%, almost 89% come from United Kingdom, and that actually makes sense. And 2% is coming from United States and 1% from Ireland. So 94% is coming from highly developed countries. And when you scroll here, you will see that most of the traffic is actually direct traffic and search traffic, and that is the best traffic. And when we go back on latest free stuff, let me just close this. And when you click here, get freebie, open a new window, it will take you to the website where you can get your free Lego magazine. And let me just close this. And like I said, you can find all kind of stuff here. Let's just search here, let's say dog. Sorry, dog. And click search. And here you can find all kind of dog related free stuff. And most of these, like I said, are freebies, free samples. And when we open this one, for example, here, it will take you actually to a Facebook fan page of this company. As you can see here, this is a Facebook fan page, as you can see. So I can just close this. So how do we promote our free product with this website? We need to scroll here and we need to click submit freebie. And we need to add our name, our email, our link to freebie. So we need to go back on Clickbank Marketplace, click here on promote, generate your hoop link, go back on latest free stuff on .uk, paste your affiliate link here. And here we need to add our message. And for that we can just go back on this sales page and we can copy this. Let's just copy, go back, and here I will say, let's say free mini, and then paste this. Now this is important. First line in the description is your tagline, is your title. So make sure to choose the right first line. And then we are going to back here and let's just copy this here. And let's just copy to give them some features and paste it here. And click here, I'm not robot, and then click submit, and your freebie is submitted to this website. And as we saw, this website is getting more than 1 million visits every month, which means they will drive free traffic to your affiliate link. And you can find more websites like latestfreestuffs.co.uk. Just go on Google and type something like free stuff, freebies, free samples, and so on, and submit your Clickbank affiliate link, your Clickbank product on as much as you can websites like this, to drive as much as possible free traffic to your affiliate offer and to increase your chances of making sales. This is an easy method, a beginner-friendly way to drive free traffic to your affiliate offers. But like all free methods, it takes time and it takes work. Guys, if you wish to learn how to make perpetual income, I will leave you a link in description. For those of you who don't know what perpetual income means, that means that you will make money month after month after month after month. And all you have to do is just set up the system and maintain the system, and you will have enough time for yourself, and more importantly, you will have more time for your family. So like I said, I will leave you a link in description if you wish to learn how to make perpetual income. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.